again. It is Brianne here. Sorry, I'm trying to get comfortable. I'm at a weird angle because everything in my life is totally chaotic and messy. So, I'm just here to make a really quick video. Just something that kind of popped into my mind yesterday. I was cleaning out my car. Just angle myself better. Sorry, my life's a mess right now. So I haven't really mentioned it, but I do work in retail. So I'm working all the time right now. It's the holiday season. It is just like totally crazy, total madhouse, and people are getting sick. So I'm working even more because I manage the store that I work at. It's crazy. One thing I've tried this season really is to just like on my days off to relax, really take care of myself, drink lots of water, you know, taking emergency, washing my hands a lot. My hands are so dry. Like I have a Kiehl's lotion that I lost, so my hands just feel like so gross and like rough. But you know, and then just on my days off really resting and relaxing. I just did another vid about some crafts that I've been doing, so I've been trying to do crafting, lots of different things. But the holidays can be super stressful, and for me, like many people out there, I suffer from anxiety and I suffer from panic. So I tend to panic a lot. It's getting better, but another thing too that I know that works for me, and it's not gonna work for everyone, and I'm not obviously like a doctor or anything like that, so it's all in my opinion, is I use a lot of essential oils. And I have an essential oil diffuser, which in some of my other videos you might have seen. I actually took one of my diffusers to work. So currently we're diffusing tea tree oil and peppermint, just because tea tree oil has like antibacterial properties, and right now everyone's getting sick. So I just wanted to like, it just feels like it's cleaning your air. And then peppermint promotes energy. And when I think of energy, I think of positivity. And when I think of peppermint, I just think of like sweet and happy, and it's like the holiday season. So I think of that too. And everyone at my job really enjoys it. They all really like it. Sometimes I come in and it's already going, and you know, they're like putting the oils in and stuff like that. So basically that always works for me. So today's video is about my car. So like I said, I was cleaning my car yesterday, and I had this little air freshener. It's one of these. It's made by Armorall. I broke it. But it's one of those ones where you put like a little pod inside of it, and then it cleans your air. You put it on your, like what is it called? The vent, and then it cleans out your air. So I've had it in my car for a long time, and it ran out, but I just haven't changed it. I just haven't had time, haven't really thought about it. So I thought maybe I could make my own essential oil car diffuser. So I've seen them online, and they're not expensive. They're like 10 bucks. You know, you can find some like 10 bucks for two. I just haven't done it yet because I don't know. I don't need it. It's just something that I want. So yeah, if you are unfamiliar, there are lots of cool things like this. This is a necklace that I own. I don't wear it often just because it sits a little bit weird. It sits kind of low on me. But basically, this necklace that I have, and the reason I'm showing it to you, is it comes with little pads of felt. So it has this little felt pad, and then you go ahead and you put your essential oil on it, and then as you're like going through your day, you can smell it. So it came with a few extras. And what I thought is, since this guy is already open, I could just put one of the felt dots in there. I'm probably gonna use green because I don't usually wear green. I thought it would just sit nicely in here, and then I could close it up and have it in my car. But now that I'm looking at it, you guys, I think it's actually, it's gonna be too big. There we go. Yeah, but now that I'm looking at it, I see that it's like way too big. It doesn't, like, it'll fall out. So not to worry. So I'm plugging in my trusty glue gun, and I think what we can do is just glue the felt down onto here. I actually have crazy glue too. I wonder which one would work better. I bought one of these. Has anyone ever, like, I don't understand how crazy glue works. It like, I used it once and I put the pin back in and now like nothing comes out. I think it hardened or something. This was supposed to be a super quick video and it's turning super long, but oh well. Just waiting for this to heat up. And then I'll kind of talk you through this really quick. So then I have these different aromatherapy oils. I usually like to have quantity over quality just because I like to have lots of different scents. So this is just a set that I picked up from HomeGoods, and it came with, how many? It came with a lot. It's a 14 pack, but I mean, like, look at that price. It was only $16.99 for 14. They're not bad. I've had some that I put in the diffuser and then it, like, you can't really smell it. These are super, super strong. They work really well. And I like, it just came with so many different scents. I don't see the scents I wanted. I wanted to do like bergamot and lavender. I might go with eucalyptus and peppermint. I mean, that sounds good for a car, right? Like, I don't know. I just don't want like, I don't know. I don't want like a chemically smell. Actually, maybe I will do lavender. Just like relax in the car, right? So I'm just gonna put a little dot of this here. Just a little bit. And then let's get our little felt and just push it on there. So there we go. It's in there. I'm actually gonna grab lavender and bergamot because I want to have like a relaxing vibe in my car. I just really want that like relaxing vibe because I get very tense in my car. I'm in my car a lot. So I'm just gonna put quite a few drops. Oh shoot. It's getting like everywhere but on the pad. There we go. And this one was lavender. It wasn't in the box because I use lavender seriously all the time. I diffuse it like every night. And then let's do a few drops of bergamot. It just smells, I don't even know what this scent really is, to be honest. It smells really good. It's really relaxing. And then yeah, I'm gonna go stick this in my car and I'll probably put a little pick. It smells so good. I'll probably put a little pick at the end of the video so you can see what it looks like. But that's basically it. And now I think once I put it in the vent, it'll you know, go through whenever I have the AC or the heater on. It just looks kind of weird, but I mean, it looks cute. It's kind of cool. We'll see how it works and I will definitely report back and let you know. Anyways, guys, I really hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little hack for your own aromatherapy car. I don't know what it's called. Vent clip. But yeah, hopefully it works for me. And if you try it, let me know because I definitely, you know, think it's a cool idea. And I think I got this Armor All one from like the dollar store, so it costs literally $1. They sell felt at the dollar store as well, or you can go like to Michael's or Joann's and it's fairly cheap. And then if you have your own essential oils already, awesome. If not, like I said, you can always check out HomeGoods. They usually have really inexpensive like gift packs, especially in the holidays. They have gift packs and they're super duper inexpensive. Fine, just really, it smells so good. Oh my god. a really, really inexpensive gift set just so you can try out, see what you like. Like I said, I like quantity over quality because I can just test out different scents, see what I like. If there's something that I like, then of course I can go and buy more of that. I feel so late to the game, but whenever I talk to someone who has never used them, it's so exciting to me because I'm like, oh my God, let me tell you, they're awesome. And then you can do things like this. So have a great day, guys. Let me know what you thought about the video. A thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, that's okay too. You don't have to. I thought this was gonna be like a 5-minute video and it kind of went long, so I hope you liked my rambling and watching me get crafty. So thanks again. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later.